And welcome to the natural beauty, wonder, and adventure of our islands. Every day, the gentle rain paints our landscapes with lush vegetation and a colorful variety of exotic flowers. Their alluring beauty and intoxicating fragrance fill our island paradise with enchantment. No less enchanted are the many varieties of brilliantly colored tropical birds that entertain with delightful song. This incredible bounty of natural beauty was born of the blending of rich volcanic soil with a warm tropical climate. Among our tasty treasures are flavorful fruits such as bananas, mangoes, papayas, and of course, the pineapple. This king of fruits was once so rare in value that it was available only to kings. That is, until about a century ago, when a visionary came to our islands. Jim Dole's idea of making our pineapple available to every family in America seemed, at the time, an impossible dream. But thanks to dedication and innovation, not only did his dream come true, but it grew into the largest producer of fruit in the world. Here in the islands, the pineapple is a symbol of hospitality. That is why it is always a part of the traditional island feast we call paina. At a paina, you'll always find a happy gathering of friends and family, known here as ohana. During these celebrations, our ohana shares laughter, stories, and favorite recipes. And nothing brings out the taste of our tropical paradise like pineapple. So from our ohana to yours, we invite you to enjoy this king of fruits and a taste of the islands wherever you call home. Aloha!